Welcome to our TeamGuru tutorial. Today we would like to introduce you a feature when you are able to create a main project document that will include automatically all its subprojects based on project type and location. When you are setting up your action list, your project, and then you go to its settings, you will see that under tab settings, you are able to select project type. You can choose from the submenu from already existing project types in the system. If you need to create a new project type, then either contact us or your system administrator unless you have a sufficient role to create one yourself. And now you will see when we go back to list of our documents, of our projects, you will be able to filter through based on your project type. So let's say that I would like to see all documents with productivity project type. And now I'm going to see all these documents with that project type for my selected location. And now let's say that I would like all these projects to be included in one main project document. And I would like to show you how to set it up. Okay, so now when we go to create our new action list, in case you haven't created action list in TeamGuru before, please check our support TeamGuru website and you will find directions there. But when I click this green plus button in the right upper corner, I will be able to create a new action list. I will call it main project for our video tutorial. And now when I go to our project hierarchy tab, you will see that you will have an option to tick this box to add subprojects automatically. So when I check this box, then you will have more options to choose from. You can select your project type and you can also specify location. If you do not enter any location in here, then you will get all the documents with this project type from all across your company. So you do have option to specify a location from your org structure. And you can also include subfolders and choose project status if you would like to see all documents or just the active or archive ones. And once you are done with your settings, you just go scroll up and click Save and View button. And here we see our main project and all sub-projects. You will see that each sub-project has a live link. So when you click on it, it will take you directly to that document, which is very convenient. You will also see at a glance how many open and total actions there are for each sub-project and their completion status. You are also able to sort your actions when you click on this arrow. Let's say that sometimes you might have a sub-project that doesn't have any sub-actions and you might want to see them on the bottom of this list. And this is just very nice and simple overview of your sub-projects, how they're doing and how you can get to them very easily from one place. And before we finish, I would like to also point out, whenever a new project is created in the system based on your selection, so project type, location, this project is going to be added automatically to your action list, so you don't need to do that manually. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.